Everybody, today I'm Tanya Alexander of Karuna University. We're going to explain you another code for web lab. So here we go. So the title is website using HTML5, and it consists of form elements and media elements. So the question says is build a website that conforms to HTML5 standard and has the following elements like doc type HTML, title, body, head, div, paragraph, heading, image, anchor, table, audio, video, etc. So this page will consist of two web pages. First web pages is first page has three sections such as header, content section, and footer. So header should be at the top of the page. So these are some guidelines, and then after that this is the second web page. So the guidelines for this is second page contains a form to collect the personal and academic details of the person. Place the heading at the top left of the page. It has 5 fields set as shown in the figure. So these are some. So first page should look like this and the second page should look like this. Okay, so here we're going to start the code. So the code for this is, so first this is the index page, like the first page, resume like for the second page, and this is the CSS, we have designed it for CSS cascading style sheet. So for this page we have used this CSS file, and for index page we have used this style.css to styling the web page. Okay, so first we're going to start the first page. The very first page is title, like fashion company, and then it has a link. This link is to add the CSS file. So the code can be link rel style sheet, type is this, and href, and whatever the name of your cascading style sheet name is, and then head is closed, and then body. So for body I have given the background as a ping.jpg, means I have given the image as a background, and then header, and then style, I have styled it with the background color like this, and then image center. So this is the logo. So to keep the logo into the center I have used the tag center tag, and then this is the heading, and then the navigation bar. So for this I have styled it with this, and then table. So under the table I have create some links, that is home, fashion, and resume, and then another one is the search box, so you can search anything, and then navigation bar is closed, and then here the header section is also closed. Now this the section is start. For this the section is divided into two parts. So first part is contain the paragraph, these are the some paragraph, and the audio along with it, and another box contains the video part, and then here the table is also closed. Now the footer, the end part of the web page starts. For this I have contact information, so you can contact and the address, and then this is the href for telephone contact and for email, and then here the form field set is used to give the border and legend. I'll show the output for this also. So this contains three types, like text, password, and submit, and then here iframe. So this is the if you want to include the Google map, so for this you can use iframe and this. Now I will explain for a resume. The title for this is resume, and for this also I have include the link, I have include the CSS file, and then here the body starts. For form I have given the margin and the padding is 0 pixel, and then here the name is top, and then the heading submit your resume, and then field set, and here the personal details starts. So the heading is personal details, H3 is the third heading, and then the first name. For this, like placeholder is enter your first name, then middle name, then last name. And then for entering the date of birth, you have to use like input type equals to date, and then for age in years, like number, the age should be above 18, minimum 18 and maximum 35. And in gender, I have used the radio buttons like for male, female and others. So this is personal detail, and after that I have created a progress value like 20 and maximum 100. So for this like 20% is completed out of 100%. So for this, the address. So for address, this is the text area, and for row span and column span, and then town. For town and for city, I have used a select option, like you can select any of these one at a time, and then the zip code. So like this, I have the contact information and then education details, and here is like yeah. So under this, these all are I have created. So at last it will be like submit your resume, or you can reset it, or here it is a link like interlink, like if you want to go to the very first top, so go up. And here you can even attach any kind of file, like format. The format of the file should be doc or either PDF. So this is the code. Now I will show the output. So we'll run. Yeah. So this is the first page. So this is the logo and the heading, and this is the navigation bar. So it consists of 3 links like home, fashion and resume. So if you click home, it will be here only, and if you go to and if you click fashion, so it will go and open the fashion, or like the Wikipedia of the fashion. And then resume, if you click the resume, it will go to the next page, and then the search, you can search anything over here. Okay, so here it is a section which is like a paragraph. These are 2 paragraphs, and it consists of audio file also like this, and it also consists of the video file like this. And then here 3 section is there is 1 section, and 1 section is divided into 3 divs. So first div is contact us, and then this is the link like call us or email us, and this is the map, Google map, and this is the form, like this is the field set, and this is the legend. So if you type any username, then any password, and then if you submit, it will redirect you to the next page, that is submit your resume. So in this I have only used the field set. I didn't use the legend, so the personal details. So these 3 are the compulsory which you have to fill, and then the first name, like anything you fill, then anything for middle name, then last name. Like date of birth, it show like this. If you click here, it will be like this. And then age in years, so it should above 18. So I'll type, for example, 45, and then gender, any gender you can put, like either male or female or other. Same way you can fill the everything whatever is given and asking. Here I have used some placeholders for telephone, mobile, and for email, and for website. And this is the education details, like you have to click all those qualifications whatever you are, and then 10th and 12th, all this you have to fill. And then you can upload any file like this. The file should be either doc type or PDF type, and either you can submit your resume or reset. If you press reset, it will reset all. And then if you want to go to the very first top, then go up, so it will go like this. So that's all for the code. Thank you so much for watching.